Hey guys, what is up? It is Purple Moose coming at you guys with another video. Today we are doing a custom boy doll. Yes. So this is a doll I purchased off of Mercari. I got it for a really good sale. There's a reason why I purchased this particular doll. Because first I need her wig for a part, and I just want a boy doll that, looks like this. So, y'all will see how I'm doing it. Ooh. Oh. Hello there. Ooh. Okay. Let's move this. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. I got a Julie doll. I recognize this dress. This is like I don't know, this is just like I think this is a Christmas dress from Pleasant Company, Let's see what her tag says. This isn't, so she is definitely a Mattel version of the doll. Usually it says, like, the year. It doesn't. Okay, so she got some tight limbs here. And, her hair is just her hair is actually in really, really good condition. No, it doesn't look like it's been cut. I just need the doll, because, I wanted the doll to make a custom boy doll, and, the wig, I need for my Julie doll. If you guys see on my Instagram, if you guys saw my Instagram, my Julie had a little short pink bob. Actually, her hair was actually like, I think it was like this length or something like that, or maybe like this length or something. The wig was just very bad. I've curled it and straightened it so many times, and I just really, really just needed a new wig. Hence, this is why I got this doll. And yeah, and bonus, she came with this Pleasant Company Christmas dress, so that was nice. It's just this black. I think like short sleeve is like under this or something. I don't know. But I know I recognize this Pleasant Company also has a Pleasant Company tag. Let's see, it says Pleasant. You can't really see it, but that's the tag, and it says hand wash only. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this dress because it looks like I need it. I actually this is actually a cute little dress, not gonna lie. So it's a bonus. I got a dress. Yeah, I got her for like $35, so it's not bad. So yeah. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Purple Moose Dolls. Sprocket, get away from the camera.